children. I hope everyone are safe at home. Be safe and be hygiene. Let us go to the science online classes.
Today we are entering into science online class. The first lesson is about my body. Shall we start the class? My body. In this lesson, you will come to know about the benefits of hand washing, self-hygiene, using toilets, avoiding open defecation, protecting the sense organ, understand about good and bad touch, and importance of physical exercises. Cleanliness. Do you know about germs? Germs are microorganisms that affects our body. They are found in all the places. If we do not maintain cleanliness, the germs will infect us and cause many diseases to us. So to avoid these germs, what are the steps we have to follow? Let's see. Hand washing. Let's watch the steps for hand washing. Wet your hands first. Apply enough soap. Rub the palms properly. Rub the back of each hands together. Rub both hands holding all fingers. Rub the back of the fingers. Rub the tip of the fingers. Rub the thumbs and the end of the wrist. Rinse both hands properly with enough water. These are the steps of hand washing. So, what will be the benefit of hand washing? Let's watch. Benefits of hand washing. Kills or removes germs. Lowers the risk of disease like diarrhea. Prevents eye infections. Reduce the risk of respiratory infections. So children, do you know when is the Global Hand Washing Day? It is on October 15th of every year. Using toilet. In some place, the people are still forced to do open defecation. Because of this open defecation, disease spreads as cholera and diarrhea. Groundwater is also polluted and children also get affected by intestinal worms which causes anemia. Why is it important to have a toilet? Having a toilet prevents disease like cholera, offers privacy, is convenient, is safe. Now let's see the effects of open defecation. Waterborne diseases, disease caused by insects carrier, and pollution. Bathing. Yes children, do you all bath daily? Okay, let's see the importance of bathing now. Importance of bathing. It cleanses the body. It removes dirt and odor, protects oneself from infection, and improves blood circulation. Now let's watch the safety measures in bathroom. Do not play with water or run around in the bathroom. You may get hurt. Do not touch the sharp objects such as blades, razors and scissors. Do not leave soap bar on the floor. Someone may slip due to it. Do not leave the bathroom floor wet. Do not touch electrical switches with wet hand. You may get hurt with an electrical shock. The next topic is protecting sense organs. Okay children, do you all know what are the 5 sense organs? Yes, they are our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, these sense organs help us to observe and understand the world around us. Is that so? Okay, let's see them now. Eyes, the organ of sight. Sight means seeing. We are seeing this beautiful world with our eyes. It is an organ that reacts to light and allows vision. Now let's see the do's and don'ts of the eyes. Do's. Read with proper light. Watch television from a minimum distance of 6 feet. If you feel your eyes are itchy, wash them with clean and cold water. Don'ts. Do not read in too dim or too bright light. Do not play video games or watch TV for long hours. Do not rub your eyes with your fist. Ears. An ear is an organ of hearing. It helps us to hear all the sound around us. Okay, children, how will you protect your ears? Let's see. Avoid loud noise. Do not listen to music at higher volume when using earphones or headphones. Do not clean ears with earbuds. Dry your ears after taking bath. Cover your ears while swimming and bathing. Use earplugs or ear muffs when you are exposed to loud noise. Consult a doctor if you have pain in ear. Hearing loss cannot be prevented always, but hearing loss due to loud noises can be avoided. Nose. We all know that we smell all the fragrance with our nose. It's a sense organ used for smelling. Let's see some points how to protect our nose. Do not clean your nose by inserting any objects into it. If the nose is blocked due to cold, it is better to use steam to clear it. Do not pick your nose. The next sense organ is our tongue. We will taste all our food with our tongue, right? Okay, now listen. We should clean our tongue daily with a tongue cleaner while brushing our teeth. A dirty tongue may cause disease and bad breath. So, we should do these two things for our tongue daily. Okay, student? Now, next. And the last sense organ we are going to see now is our skin. Always use a mild soap for our skin. Keep your skin dry and clean. Dry your skin by rubbing gently with a clean cloth. Consult a doctor when you feel any itching, skin injury or infection. Okay, students, you all are growing up now, right? You are from 2nd standard to 3rd standard. Now, you all should know about good touch, bad touch and don't touch. Shall we see that now? Listen carefully and remember always, okay? There are body parts that you and others can see and touch like our arms and hands. They are good touch. But there are also some body parts that no one should see or touch, like our chest, between our legs and our bottom. These parts are called private parts. What are they called? Private parts. Now I'm going to teach you 3 rules regarding this good touch and bad touch. Rule number 1. It is never right for anyone to look at, touch or talk about your private parts. Rule number 2. If you do not like any touch or if it makes you sad, angry or scared, tell them to stop. Scream, stop and run away. This is the second rule and it's very important. Rule number 3. Tell your parents or teachers about the bad touch. Keep telling until you get the help you need. It is important that you keep all these 3 rules in mind even if you know the person. Now, I am going to tell you about safety circle members whom you can tell and get help regarding these bad touches. The safety members are father and mother, grandma and grandpa, brother and sister, and your teacher. Okay students, now I am going to explain you about child line number. If there is any situation that you can't contact your safety circle members, anytime you can call child line number 1098 for help. Do you understand now? Go through this and remember as I said before, okay? Importance of physical exercise. We all should know about the importance of physical exercise. If we keep our body fit, we will always be healthy. The advantages of physical exercises are as follows. Protects us from disease, balances our body weight, strengthens our muscles and bones, improves digestion, improves sleep quality, increases our energy level, improves skin health, boosts brain function and memories. Okay children, I hope you might have understood this lesson and enjoyed. Let's see in the next session. Thank you.